Hey y'all, it's Jessica with Swatch Pop. Let me start by saying that I am not really a techie or a gadget type of person, but I discovered something that y'all need to know about. It's a home monitoring app called Notion, and it's so much more than just open doors and open windows. They have these tiny little white sensors, which I think, as a design person, I love because they're very inconspicuous and just clean looking. They have an adhesive back on them, so you just peel and stick these sensors just about anywhere in your home to monitor all kinds of stuff. So not just open doors and open windows, but things like motion or sound, because what good does it do if your fire alarm is going off and no one's around to hear it? You can put these in a mailbox. If your neighbors are gonna come while you're away and check your mail, you can get an alert every time that mailbox is opened just to be sure that they're doing their job. Maybe you have teenagers in the house and you wanna make sure when you're out of town that nobody opens up that liquor cabinet. Not your kids, I'm sure, but hey, it happens, y'all. This is Notion's starter kit. It comes with a bridge and either 3 sensors or 5 sensors. And you can add additional sensors to your system at any time. So I'm gonna show you how I'm using these in my house, and I think you're gonna think it's just as cool as I do. I have small kids and I also have a pond in the backyard. This door needs to stay closed all the time, and my kids are trained to keep it closed, but just in case, I'm gonna put a sensor on this back door. I'm gonna link it to my app and I'll get an alert anytime that door opens during the day. The other place I'm gonna put one is down in the basement where we had a flood 3 weeks ago. Such a nightmare if you've ever had a flood, but having one of those sensors could have saved us so much trouble and so much money. So come down to the basement, I'm gonna show you where I'm putting my next sensor. One of our greatest fears as homeowners is moisture and flooding. So these sensors can tell you the minute there's a problem in your home. If your hot water heater starts leaking, your washing machine, you're immediately going to be notified to your phone so that you can act fast and get the problem solved. So I can't say enough about this. It was so easy to set it up. It took me 15 minutes, I think. Mine was $150, but that price for this level of peace of mind, to me, that's priceless. So check out GetNotion.com and let us know what you think.